Hello and welcome to episode number 97 of my Python tutorial series. Now I'm sure all of you have encountered at some point in your lives when creating any kind of online account the particular checkbox at the bottom that says I agree to the terms and conditions blah 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 blah. Well, that's exactly what we're going to learn to do today. Generate that particular checkbox that you would otherwise click to agree to the terms and conditions. This is particularly simple to do in Tkinter, so we will go straight into the code and write agreement equals tk dot string var, and then create a small custom function called agreement changed, and say tk dot message box dot show info, our usual function now, and say title equals result and message equals agreement dot get. Then we can generate our check button by saying ttk dot check button, and this will be root, then text equals I agree, for example, and then say command equals agreement changed. Then we can say variable equals agreement. This is the name of the variable which we will be changing. Then we can say on value, meaning the value that our variable will take when the button is checked, and that will be agree. And then off value equals disagree. And finally, all of that we can say dot pack. And that's it. All we have to do now is run the code, and you can see that we have the infamous I agree checkbox. Above it, you can imagine the usual labels saying I agree to the terms and conditions, or I agree to receiving messages, etc., etc., etc. Of course, in this specific case, when we click on the I agree box, we get our usual information message box saying agree. Of course, if we now unclick the box, we get the same message box show info widget that now says disagree. So now you know how to create the infamous check button so you too can include terms and conditions within your code. With that, I wish you all the best for your adventures with Tkinter, and I look forward to seeing you again next week for a new video. As always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as well as check out my previous tutorials and coding challenges. I wish you all a great week, and until next time, happy coding!